Hi folks, welcome to the Sweet Talking channel. It's an Alfa thing. It's Rob here, and I just thought I'd like to talk to you about a little issue I've been having with the Giulia for the past few months. An issue that came to a head because it actually got me diagnosed paralysed. So stay tuned. So yeah, we've had this car just over 12 months now, and we got the odd electrical gremlin in the early days, and the old steering wheel reset would work a treat. But then as autumn was approaching, the days were getting shorter, it was getting a bit wetter, things started to get a little bit worse. So I jumped on the forums, and what I tended to be reading was, it could be that your battery's shite. I thought, yeah, battery's shite, could be. So I got an even bigger battery, a nice new shiny big battery, and I shoved that in, and I thought, that'll sort me out. No, still having issues. Fast approaching MOT time in March, only a couple of months ago. I thought, these dash lights, ABS being one of them, it's going to fail the MOT, which I was reliably informed by the MOT testing centre that I use. Shout out to Caroline, lovely lass at Auto Care Centre in Morley. Been going there 20 years, by the way. So the panic really did set in because, yes, it was fast approaching MOT time, this mandatory test that if you fail, you can't drive your car on UK roads. I was getting so stressed with it. It definitely wasn't the battery. What else could it be? Could it be it's getting wet? You know, that time of the year. Is water getting in somewhere? Desperate trying to find out what was going on before this MOT date was due. I even got a car cover. I put a car cover. Every time it rained, I put the car cover on. But sometimes I had to drive in the rain, so that didn't really work. It did improve things slightly. But when it came to MOT time, God only knows the car passed. I must have just been very lucky. Or Caroline likes me, I don't know. One or the other. I'm waffling on quite a bit here, folks. I do apologise. So I got through the MOT. Thank God for that. I've been spared for another 12 months. But is it water getting in somewhere? So I jumped back on the forums, and water can ingress into the HVAC system by the sounds of it. Have I been that unlucky? So just a few days ago, I decided, right, I'm going to dive straight in. So I put my mechanic head on, and I did dive straight in. And I lifted the scuttle up. I wedged it with a bit of wood so I could get to the HVAC vent. Had a bit of a tug. Can't beat a bit of a tug at the HVAC vent, and up it popped. And I turned it over, and lo and behold, the little rubber seal that goes all the way around on one side, it was bent right over. So it wasn't stopping the mucky water from ingressing into the HVAC unit, and probably ended up in the footwell around the body control module, which seems to be the issue when it gets a little bit damp. So I cleaned up all the mating surfaces with some water methanol mix. Good degreasing type stuff going on there. I put some of this gunk on, as you can probably see in the picture I've added here. And I popped the H-vent vac back on. Well, that was 3 days ago. And a couple of times the dash lights have flashed up, but only briefly, and they've self-reset. I think there's probably some residual moisture from previous in the footwell or the body control module. But summer's coming, so it could give false impressions, but I'm hoping this has fixed it. So anyway, yeah, I'm a complete numpty. I'm just talking bollocks. But if you've had the same issues and this has sorted it, I would really like to hear about it, because I'm at my wit's end now. If this car just keeps playing up and I can't solve it, I'm going to have to get rid of it before MOT time comes around, because I can't go through the panic and despair I went through. First world problems, obviously, as I did back in March, because I don't want to get Bell's palsy again, because it's not nice, because you have to sleep with your eye open. And you can't chew, and you dribble, and you can't speak properly. Pretty much how I am now, really. So yeah, much appreciated. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, comment. I'd love this channel to grow. I can talk more bollocks in the future in my stupid, eccentric UK English kind of way, which maybe you guys like, maybe you guys absolutely despise. But anyway, I'll leave it there for now. Goodbye.